Welcome to the September edition of Tile TV. For the mobile version of this episode, please use the link in your Tile TV release email.
Hello and welcome to the September edition of Tile TV, your source for the tile industry's latest news and information. I'm Deborah Brandon.
And I'm Bobby Dodge. Coming up on this edition of Tile TV, the NTCA opens up some new membership options, we preview the new tile publication Tada, and later, on our Tile Tips segment, the NTCA Technical Director Gerald Sloan will review rights and wrongs of grout application.
The NTCA is proud to announce that they are moving forward with the decision to offer membership opportunities to architects, designers, builders, and general contractors. The limited membership, which is available now, will be devoted to helping the tile and stone specification writing questions. A team of dedicated consultants will be taking and answering these questions. Membership benefits include copies of the NTCA Manual, the TCNA Handbook, and the ANSI Handbook. The NTCA Reference Manual is a cause, cure, and prevention manual for anyone involved in tile installation. The Tile Council of North America Handbook is the tile industry's guide for installation practices and is commonly referred to as the Tile Bible. Additional benefits include an A&D specific monthly newsletter, a listing on the NTCA website, and a subscription to Tada magazine. For more information on the opportunities available through NTCA membership, contact the NTCA at 601-939-2071.
In conjunction with the NTCA's recent membership developments, the largest tile contractors association in the world is proud to announce the debut of a new quarterly publication, Tada. Tada stands for Tile for Architects, Designers, and Affiliates, and will be unveiled to the public at Coverings 2012. Distribution for Tada will include 7,000 of the top architectural and design professionals throughout the country, with topics ranging from restaurants and hospitality to green and sustainable designs. When reached for comment, Tada publisher Bart Bettiga was quoted as saying, "Architects and designers rely on trade-specific associations for their expertise and assistance, and the NTCA has chosen Tada to be the vehicle in which to communicate with this community. In addition, our staff has several experts available to assist these professionals on the phone and in writing, and for this reason, we have opened up membership opportunities for their company." The NTCA will continue to publish 13 issues of Tile Letter magazine, which will continue its focus on tile and stone installation, while Tada will center on tile and stone specification and product selection. Advertising opportunities are currently available. For more information, please contact Mary Shaw Olson at 601-405-7625.
Here at Tile TV, we're always looking for new ways to help tile contractors provide their clients with the highest quality service possible. Here to help us with this month's edition of Tile Tip is NTCA Training Director Gerald Sloan.
Hello everyone, I'm Gerald Sloan, Training Director for the National Tile Contractors Association. Today's Tile Tip will focus on mixing of the products for tile installation and grouts. Powdered materials that work with liquids, whether it's water or other liquids. We'll talk about common mistakes made during this mixing process, how to avoid those problems, and what are they. One of the first things that I want to mention is anytime we're adding a liquid to a powder, the most common mistake made is too much liquid. But excessive liquids can weaken the product. It can cause a lot of problems. So be very careful about adding too much liquid. Read the directions at least once to do proper ratios for liquid and powder mix. Now, one of the things I want to point out is whenever we work with the mixing of the liquids to the powders, the mixing itself can be a potential problem with inappropriate use of tools and tools that are not designed for the products that we work with. They are available, but they're not a good idea. So choosing the appropriate tool for this type of mixing of these products is very important. The common mistake made here is using a very high-speeded drill and inappropriate type of mixing paddle. When that combination is put together with these type of products, it can cause entrapment of air in the mixing of those products. which weakens the product and can cause some issues with the strength and the color, discolorations of grouts and that sort of thing. So taking close account of the approved types of mixing paddles, and there's several available, with the slow speeded drill motor that's available for those tools. Understanding that most of these products should not be mixed at speeds more than 300 RPM. There are some that with exceptions, but overall about 300 RPM mixing speeds to properly mix those components. One of the most overlooked parts of mixing when working with these powdered products, adding a liquid, is called slaking. Most of these products that we work with that contain these powders and add a liquid do require slaking. Slaking is a setting time after we've added the water, added the powder, and blended those two together. Allowing this material to sit is the slaking. That time will vary from one product to the next and how much time that it actually sits in the bucket. Some products require 5 minutes, some products require 15 minutes or more. Depends on the product you're working with, but they all require, for the most part, slaking before installation. The setting time is a very important part of our mixing of these products. The setting time, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. After the time is up, now a remix of the product, but do not retemper. Do not add more powder or any more water. It's just reblend that mix. Very important step, often overlooked. It can increase the bond strength and grout color uniformity in the products that we work with. Without doing that, we are compromising the product that we are about to install. So very important step. Remember to slake.
Thank you, Gerald, and thank you for joining us on this edition of Tile TV, keeping you up to date on all the tile industry's latest developments. I'm Deborah Brandon.
And I'm Bobby Dodge. Make sure to stay tuned after the broadcast for new product and service information. Thank you for watching.
Tile TV is brought to you by Laticrete and OMG National. Research, production, and distribution by OMG National and its Tile TV division. For a full-service approach to marketing in a self-service world, call, click, or visit OMG National today.